Slowly travels would indicate that there's going to be a less steep line. If you look at the two people left, it's Kimmy and Bruce. Kimmy's first portion of her line appears less steep than Bruce's, and then racing down to a jump would indicate a very steep line. Well, Bruce's last leg of the trip is rather shallow, whereas Kimmy's is quite steep. So it would make quite a lot of sense that it's Kimmy. Furthermore, it also makes sense because it's very unlikely that Bruce is female. The last story. Blank rides quickly down to a rail slide, waits for his other friends to catch up, and then slowly rides to the bottom of the run. Well, there's not much guesswork here. We have one story left, but let's make sense of this. Rides quickly. That indicates a rather steep initial portion. Then there's a point where they wait. Recall that waiting is a flat line. And then there's a portion where there's slowly rides. Bruce's story is the only story that's broken up into three parts like this, with a steep, followed by a flat, followed by a shallow portion. So we know that this last story must be Bruce. Example 4. Write a story that can be represented by the graph below. When you're done, come and check out what our story is.